What's up everyone, my name is Rishabh Gupta. Today I just wanted to share with you the knowledge that I've gained over my experience when I try to convert dance move into jump rope dance move. If you have watched my channel, you might have seen that I try really hard to perform jump rope dance moves. Sometimes I succeed, sometimes I fail. Today in this video I want to focus on the importance of side swing in creating a jump rope dance move. So let's begin. Now guys, if you already know how to perform side swing, you might have noticed that this trick is quite different from others. It requires 2 rounds. In the first one, you have to swing the rope to the other side and then open up to perform the basic jumps. Now if you notice carefully, when you are swinging the rope to the other side, you don't have to jump. Your feet can perform any dance move, and that is the basis of performing a jump rope dance move or creating new jump rope dance moves from side swing. Now first of all, I will show you the dance move which I really want to perform, and it is called foot slide, in which I just have to move my right foot like this and slide it like this. Let me show you again. I'll move my right foot front and slide it like this. So this is the dance move which I want to perform, and if I start to perform basic jumps and try to slide my foot, check what will happen. You can clearly see that the moment I tried to slide my foot, my other foot entangled the rope and I missed my beat, and that was the end of the jump rope routine. So that is something which I really want to avoid, and side swing actually helps me to complete that jump rope routine, and I'll be able to slide my foot. I will show you how side swing can help me out to perform foot slide without breaking my jump rope routine. So I'll start with my basic jumps. And then start to perform side swing and slide my other foot, which is my right foot, and that way I'll be able to perform foot slide. Now if you have noticed that, you can clearly see that side swing really helps out to perform that foot slide and not break my jump rope dance routine. Now I'll show you another dance move which I am trying to learn, and I don't think the basic jumps, or when I'm trying to do regular jumps, I'll be able to perform that. Let me show you the dance move, how it looks. I'll move my right foot and slide it to the right side like this, and then I'll jump again and move my left foot to the other side. So basically this is the dance move which I want to perform. But if I started to perform basic jumps and try to perform this dance move, you clearly see that my rope got entangled and I broke the routine, and that is what I really want to avoid. Now I'll try to perform that dance move again. So let me show you how it looks like. I'll start with the basic jumps. Now this way I'll be able to perform this dance move, even though it may look quite unclean right now because I'm still working on this. But I hope you understood my point and understood the thought process which I have currently in my mind. The possibilities are immense if you try to integrate your dance move with the jump rope with this side swing, and I'll come up with new ideas which you can integrate further and create your own jump rope dance routine. I hope you find this video useful, and I'll see you in the next video.